Hi y'all, it's me. I'm here on behalf of Rosie's Studio as part of Rosie's Studio Creative Club design team. And for those who don't know, Rosie's Studio is an online scrapbooking website. They carry scrapbook collections, a few digitals, stamps, dies, and others. So I'll link it down below. I'll also link the collection that I've used for today's project, and that is called One of a Kind, and I have a flip through on my channel of it already if you care to see it. And so let me show you what I've created. Now, I have to tell you, I'm not a card maker by any means. I don't enjoy making them, but so whenever I do make them, I have to follow a tutorial. So I found a tutorial on YouTube. I think it's called Iced Images. I'll link it down below if I recall, and if you'd like the link and I forget, let me know. But they had a card tutorial. When I saw the card, I was like, oh my god, that's so nice. So this is what it looks like, and I think it is just so pretty. It's called a floating card or something like that. And what makes it special is that it has a piece of acetate here that houses the embellishments that I've used from this embellishment pack that comes with this collection. So I just attached them on there, and it just makes it just so special, and the recipient then can stand this up on their desk or whatever. As you can see, I stitched everything with gold thread because the paper from the collection has just a touch of gold in it, and I wanted to reflect that. You can kind of maybe see it on the wings too. So I stitched all the pieces that are comprised of this. And then you're saying, okay, well, it's a card, but where do you put your sentiment? Well, that goes right on the back here. So you basically layer some card up here, and you can stamp on it. I added some more of the ephemera pieces, and as you can see, even from the side, it has a nice look to it. So it's just a beautiful card. Now there's one other plus to it, and the plus of that is, look, it folds flat. So you can actually, these will go down as well, you can actually plop this in the mail to someone without worry that it's going to get destroyed, and when they get it, all they have to do is give a little smush, and there you go. So I hope you enjoyed this project. I think it's just adorable. I hope I can convince myself to make some more in the future because I really do love it. So thanks for the tutorial, and I hope you enjoyed this. Be sure to visit Rosie's Studio, and until next time, do what makes you happy. Bye for now.